Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Hazet 4960F-160/2 rim flange cleaner. This brings us an optimum cleaning of the contact surface of our rim and inside of our rim area. This prevents suffocations of the wheels, tightening torques, and caused by corrosion. This cleaning ensures a correct result and a good cleaning contact surface means we have a good result there. And the outside area diameter is up to 160 millimeter. For wheel centering, at least 51 millimeter. The rotation speed of the maximum 500 revolutions per minute should be done. And it is the two-piece set. We have a base component and a grinding wheel with a diameter of 160 millimeter. 11 millimeter outside hexagon with a 3 contact surfaces for attachment, for example, to pneumatic, cordless, and corded drilling machines. And we have a central hole guidance and an integrated sander for cleaning the wheel centering. And it's very resistant, around 100 vehicle per wheel, no prop for it. And an open-pore abrasive material and a cap-formed grinding wheel reduce the fermentation of dust to a minimum. No formation of sparks. That's all. Brings us an easy tool, a ring flange cleaner by Hazet. Get it into it on your machine, clean the rims, install the rims. Job's done with a proper quality solution. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Give me a positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!